In this video, I will share with you an all-in-one AI tool that allows you to enhance both videos and images with ease. Later in this video, I'll also walk you through its other powerful features. First, you need to go to the link in the description and you will land on the official Wondershare page. They have a tool called UniConverter, which you need to download. You can try it for free. Once you open it, simply sign in and you will see an interface like this. On the left side, go to the AI Tools section where you will find all the popular tools listed. First, I will open the Video Enhancer tool. I simply click on it and a new window opens. On the right side, you will see several settings, including quality enhancement options such as Standard, Ultra, and Topaz. These are the most commonly used video enhancement modes. At the beginning, I will start with Topaz Ultra. To do that, I simply drag and drop the video into the upload area. Here is the preview. As you can notice, there is visible blur on the face, and the background also looks quite soft and low in detail. Now, inside Topaz, I will set the output resolution to 4K. After that, I click on Enhance All and Export. A pop-up appears on the screen and I simply click on Confirm. Now, the video enhancement process has started. Finally, our video has been enhanced. To check it, you simply go to the folder icon and you will find the exported video in the location where it has been saved. Here, you can clearly see that the quality has significantly improved. The video has been upscaled from 360p to 4K. The blur has been reduced and the texture and overall clarity have improved a lot. Now you can use this enhanced video in your projects without any issues. Next, I will try their Ultra AI tool for quality enhancement. I simply select it, and then from the options below, I choose 2K. After that, I click on Enhance All and Export. A pop-up window appears, and I simply click on Confirm. Now this process has also started successfully. Here is the difference between Topaz 4K and Ultra AI 2K. If you want to upscale your video to 4K, you can simply use the Topaz option. It delivers high quality results with better sharpness and detail enhancement. On the other hand, if you only need a 2K output, you can choose the Ultra AI tool. In the video enhancement section, you also get an additional face enhancement option. With this feature, you can improve facial structure, fine details, clarity, and skin texture, making the subject look much sharper and more refined. Along with that, there is also a night scene enhancement option available. Now, let's test it once. I simply drag and drop a 1080p video into the tool and select the night scene enhancement option. After that, I click on Enhance All and Export, a pop-up window appears, and I confirm the process. Now, the night scene enhancement process has started. Finally, our video has been exported. Previously, the video had slight darkness and dull colors. However, after applying the night scene enhancement, the colors have become more balanced and sharper and much more suitable for use in professional projects. In addition, you also get a denoise option in the correction tools. If your video contains noise or grain, you can easily remove it using this feature. There is also a video stabilization option available. If your footage is shaky or not stable, you can use the built-in stabilizer to smooth it out. There are many other useful features as well, which I cannot cover all in a single video, so make sure to try them out yourself. Now let's move on to the image enhancement section. On the right side, you will find different AI models. To test it, I simply drag and drop an image. After dropping the image, two panels open up. On the left side, you can see the original image, and on the right side, you can see the enhanced result. Here is the before preview. The image is blurry. If I zoom in, the pixels are breaking and the overall quality is getting worse. Now, let's enhance it and improve the image quality. I uncheck all models and simply enable Auto Enhance. Then I select Detail Gen AI and click on Preview, and the image enhancement process starts. Finally, our image has been successfully enhanced. You may notice a watermark initially, but after exporting, it is removed automatically. Here you can see the before and after comparison. We now have a much smoother and enhanced image. Even if we zoom in, the pixels remain sharp and there is no quality loss or distortion. Next, within the same tool, you also get a face enhancement option where you can enhance faces and repair old photos. You can also restore black and white images by colorizing them. There are many more photo repair and enhancement options available as well, so make sure to try them out. In the AI model section, you will also find several other powerful tools such as video background removal, noise removal, video stabilization, and even a thumbnail maker. Basically, you get everything in one software, so you don't need to purchase multiple separate subscriptions for different tools. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.